Okay, continue this class. Okay, చూడండి operations of ultrasonic machining. Okay, now the tool is fed into the workpiece by an acoustic feed mechanism. Okay, it has a provision for measurement of static pressure exerted by the tool and penetration depth measurement. Okay, abrasive slurry under a pressure is supplied to working gap between the tool and workpiece by a centrifugal pump. Next, mechanism of material removal. Okay, na? Mechanism of material removal. Although ultrasonic machining process is commercially used since mainly decades, the exact details of mechanism loading to the removal of fine materials is yet to be understood well. Okay, na? Next, the main mechanism of material removal. Okay, mechanical abrasion, scraping or wearing. This occurs due to the harming effect of the abrasive particles on the workpiece through the tool. Okay, impact. The freely moving abrasive particles impact with certain velocity on the workpiece, resulting in microchipping. Next, erosion. Okay, now due to cavitation effect of the abrasive slurry, erosion of the workpiece occurs. Okay, now chemical erosion. Okay, due to the fluid employed for abrasive grains, the chemical effect can come into consideration. Okay, okay. Next, the rate of work material removal is proportional to the number of particles making impact per cycle. Okay, na? The rate of work material removal is proportional to the number of particles making impact per cycle. Next, the rate of work material removal is proportional to the frequency. The rate of work material removal is proportional to the frequency, ante the number of cycles per unit time. All impacts are identical. Next, all abrasive grains are identical and spherical in shape. Next, thus volume of work material removal rate, okay, Q proportional to Z into FV, where Z equal to number of particles making impact per cycle. Next, F equal to frequency of the vibrations, V equal to volume of the work material removal. Okay, na? Process parameters. Various parameters that affected the ultrasonic machinings are, okay, amplitude of vibration, next frequency vibration, next feed force, next feed pressure, abrasive size, next abrasive material Al2O3, SiC, B4C, boron silica, carbide diamond. Okay, na? Next, flow strength of the work material. Process parameters, contact area of the tool. Next, volume consideration of abrasive in water slurry. Tools వచ్చేసి material of tool, shape, next amplitude of vibration, frequency of vibration, strength developed in tool, next gap between the tool and workpiece. Okay, process parameters means which process are available in the ultrasonic machining process. Okay, na? Next, work material వచ్చేసి material, impact strength, surface fatigue strength. Next, slurry means abrasive, hardness, size, shape, and అంటే abrasives ఎలా ఉండాలి. నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేసి quality of abrasive flow. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ liquid, chemical property, viscosity, flow rate. Okay, next వచ్చేసి pressure, density. Okay, na? These are are possible in the ultrasonic machining. Okay, na advantages. These are the very, very important advantages, disadvantages. So next applications. Okay, na advantages. It can be used to machine hard and brittle, fragile and non-conductive materials. Okay, na first one, the ultrasonic machining are used to the machine hard. Okay, na machine hard, brittle, fragile and non-conductive materials. Okay, next, no heat is generated in work. Next, therefore, no significant changes in physical structure of the work material. Next, non-metals, because of the power electrical conductivity that cannot be machined by the EDM, ECM, can very well be machined. Okay na, ante EDM electro discharge machining, ECM electrochemical machining. Okay na, ఈ రెండిటి మీద పాసిబుల్ గానివి దీని మీద పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయి. దేని మీద? అల్ట్రాసోనిక్ మెషినింగ్ మీద. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్, it can be adapted in conjunction with other new technologies like EDM, ECG, ECM, electrochemical machining, electrochemical grinding, electro discharge machining. Okay na, high accuracy with good surface finish can be achieved. High accuracy and good surface finish are achieved in the ultrasonic machining. Okay na, process the capability of drilling circular and non-circular holes. Okay, circular holes and non-circular holes. Circular holes are providing in the drilling machine. Okay na, non-circular holes are not providing in the drilling machine. Okay na, because of the ultrasonic machining is used to the non-circular holes. Okay na, in very hard materials. Okay na, like ceramics and other brittle materials. Hard materials and other brittle materials. Okay na. Next, disadvantages. Some disadvantages are available in the ultrasonic machining. Low metal removal rate. Okay, low metal removal rate. Because of the tool and workpiece are indirect contact. Okay na, the abrasive slurry used on the between the space between the workpiece and tool, because the material removal rate is slow. Okay, low material removal rate. Next, it is difficult to drill deep holes as slurry movement is restricted. Okay na, the slurry movement is very slow. Okay na, because of the deep holes are not drilled to the difficult. Okay, next, frontal and side tool wear rate is high due to abrasive particles. Okay, frontal and side tool wear. Okay, side wear produces less accurate holes and cavities. Okay na, in this machine the tool is moving in up and down motion. Okay na, up and down motion. అప్ అండ్ డౌన్ మోషన్ లో సైడ్ అంటే సైడ్ కూడా ఏమవుద్ది, టూల్ అనేది మూవ్ అవుతా ఉంటది కాబట్టి ఆ సైడ్ లో అంటే వేరైపోద్ది ఎక్కువగా. ఎందుకంటే దా అబ్రేజివ్ స్లర్రీ అనేది ఫుల్ గా యూజ్ చేస్తారు. టూల్ మొత్తం అబ్రేజివ్ స్లర్రీ ఉంటది కాబట్టి దాని బాటమ్ సైడ్ కాకుండా స్లైడ్స్ అనేవి ఎక్కువగా వేరైపోతుంటది. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్, ద అల్ట్రాసోనిక్ మెషినింగ్ క్యాన్ బి యూజ్డ్ ఓన్లీ when the hardness of the work is more than 45 HRC. Okay. Next, it is not economical for soft materials like lead and plastic because they tend to absorb abrasives. Okay na, not suitable for heavy shock removal. Next, every job needs as a specific tool. Okay na, therefore the tool cost is very high. అంటే జాబ్ కి అంటే ఒక్కొక్క కాంపోనెంట్ కి ఒక్కొక్క టూల్ అనేది అవసరం. అలాగా ఇక్కడ టూల్ అనేది స్పెసిఫిక్ టూల్ అనేది అవసరం కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏమంటున్నారు, దేర్ఫోర్ టూల్ కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ వెరీ హై. అంటే ఒక్కోదానికి టూల్ చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటా ఉండాలి కాబట్టి ఆ టూల్ కాస్ట్స్ అనేవి హైగా ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఆ టూల్స్ అనేవి మనం మాడిఫై చేసుకుంటా ఉండాలి. ద అబ్రేజివ్ స్లర్రీస్ షుడ్ బి చేంజ్డ్ రెగ్యులర్లీ. అబ్రేజివ్ స్లర్రీ అనేది చేంజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఎందుకని, అది హీట్ అయిపోద్ది. హీట్ అయిపోయినప్పుడు మెటీరియల్ అనేది రిమూవ్ కాదు, అంటే సరిగా అంటే మనకు కావాల్సిన వరకు అంటే వేరుగా అంటే కొంచెం లార్జ్ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ మెటల్ రిమూవ్ అయిపోవడం కానీ లేదంటే సమ్ గ్రూవ్స్ ఏర్పడడం కానీ అలా అవుతా ఉంటుంది. అందుకని ద స్లర్రీ ఈజ్ రెగ్యులర్లీ రీప్లేస్డ్. ఓకేనా, దేర్ఫోర్ అడిషనల్ కాస్ట్ ఈజ్ ఇన్వాల్వ్డ్. దానివల్ల ఏమవుద్ది, అడిషనల్ కాస్ట్ అనేది పెరగద్ది. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్, అప్లికేషన్స్. దీస్ ఆర్ ద వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్. Okay, USM, ultrasonic machining process is used in machining hard and brittle metals, okay, their alloys, semiconductors, glasses, ceramics, carbides, etc. Okay, in these components are manufacturing in the ultrasonic machining. Okay, next, in machining of advanced ceramics for applications in auto engine components. Okay, auto engine components. Next, in machining the wire drawing dies, punches are breaking dies. Okay, in this section is over. Hello?